presentation discussing global warming is to raise global awareness, understanding, and encourage action the climate crisis. Global warming, always has been called the greenhouse effect, refers to effects in increase in the Earth's temperature, which in turn causes a change in climate. The greenhouse effect is the result from a four-step process. First, sunlight radiates from the sun through space to Earth's atmosphere. Second, the sunlight enters the atmosphere and hits Earth. Some of its chemical have energy in the form of infrared light. The is absorbed by surrounding air and wind, which in turn makes it warm, and third, infrared rays which are remade into the atmosphere are trapped by greenhouse gases. The gas absorbs the light and is remade back to the Earth's surface and warm it even more. Greenhouse gases primarily carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen oxide. Global warming caused by greenhouse effect, feedback effect, and solar. Global warming trigger. Number one, increased greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere. The gas retain heat in the atmosphere so that the air temperature continues to rise. The air greenhouse gases continuous mentioned include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen dioxide. Number two, burning fossil fuels. Human activities that use petroleum and coal, for example, in transportation industry and power generation release large amount of CO2 and other greenhouse gases. Number three, deforestation. Deforestation is the absorbed CO2 when forests are cut down. The forest ability to absorb CO2 decreases. Number four, forest burning. Not only removing trees, but also producing CO2 and smoke that worsens the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So, global warming is triggered by human activities that produce greenhouse gases, especially the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, so that heat is trapped in the atmosphere and the earth temperature rises. Let's move on to look at Hawa.
Okay, thank you. Let's begin by effect global warming. Number one, extreme climate change. Global warming causes extreme weather such as hurricanes, heatwave, floods, and droughts, which can damage infrastructure, people, and the environment. Number two, ice melting and sea level rise. Higher temperature cause polar ice to melt, leading to rising sea levels. Visitors coastal cities and can leave people homeless or unwell. Number three, disruption to biodiversity. Global warming alters habitats, putting species at risk extinction and disrupting the balance of ecosystem. Okay, moving on solution to PPT.
Let's begin by solution. Number one, conventional mitigation. Conventional mitigation focus on reducing greenhouse gases and emissions, particularly CO2, and from fossil fuels. Efforts, energy efficiency, renewable energy, prevented deforestation, and increased forest cover. Number two, negative emission technologies. Negative emission technologies designed to remove CO2 already in the atmosphere. Example, afforestation and soil carbon storage. Number three, geoengineering. Geoengineering innovative approaches to modifying the Earth's system. Example, increasing the Earth's albedo or reflective power with aerosol particles and reflecting more sunlight. Global cooperation. Number one, climate change requires a global response. Number two, key institution IPCC or provide science assessments, and UNFCCC or diplomatic negotiation forum. For international agreements, Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement. The Paris Agreement is considered more inclusive, adaptive, and an evolution of the Kyoto Protocol. According to her.
Okay, conclusion. In short, global warming is the rise in Earth's temperature due to human activities, mainly greenhouse gas emissions. It leads to climate change and environmental destruction. Urgent action is made to reduce emission and switch to renewable energy. Collective efforts can help mitigate its effects and safeguard our planet for future generations. Okay, this is reference. Does anyone any question?
Sebuah terus. Tadi untuk yang pertama pasti waktu agak lama karena baru pertama gitu ya. Tapi kalau yang sekarang semua saya rasa sudah siap gitu ya untuk memperhatikan dan bertanya. I give you 2 minutes please, 2 menit untuk diskusi kemudian langsung tanya ya. 2 menit. Please allow me to give question. Okay, share your time first. My name is Messi Raftan. What solution most effective for global warming? Salah satu bahasa Indonesia dulu.
Oke, Miss. Jadi artinya dari pertanyaannya itu solusi apa yang paling efektif untuk mengatasi pemanasan global?
Diskusi 2 menit kemudian untuk tadi dulu pertama masih dia untuk pertanyaan yang menjawab satu orang saja, kemudian kalau yang lain mau menambahkan boleh gitu ya, jadi jangan kayak misalnya 4 kalimat 1 kalimat 1 kalimat I would like to answer the question from Messi. The most effective of all of these is confessional mitigation because focus on reducing greenhouse gas emission, particularly carbon dioxide from fossil fuels.
Apa intinya?
Berfokus pada mitigation karena fokus ke carbon dioxide
And then fossil gas.
Okay, enough ya. Alright, one more question.
Group 4.
Would you like another solution? Yes. Another solution is switch to renewable energy for reduce emission. Okay. Do you understand, Maxi?
Understand.
What is it?
Menggunakan energi terbarukan.
Yes.
Group 4 apa?
Excuse me. My name is Amran Yusman Sukojo. My question, which is more effective, mitigation or geoengineering?
Do you understand?
Yes. Apa yang paling efektif antara mitigation dan geoengineering? Apa? Geoengineering.
Lebih efektif mana
mitigation dan focus on reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Because greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere is bigger global warming trigger.
Bagaimana tadi Pak? Jawabannya?
Conventional mitigation because focus on reducing greenhouse gas emissions.
Ya itu dulu dipahami bisa? Yang bertanya. Paham atau tidak?
Berarti yang lebih efektif itu yang mitigasi.
Karena apa tadi?
Because greenhouse gas emission
Dari yang itu dari dulu. Dari sekarang.
focus on reducing greenhouse gas emissions.
Oh itu.
Karena lebih fokus kepada rumah hijau itu. Greenhouse. Mengasih ya.
Kalau kamu yang mana? Dina ya? Gimana tadi?
Because greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere so bigger global warming trigger.
Karena
Because greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere so bigger global warming trigger.
Karena efek gas rumah kaca bisa menyebabkan pemanasan global.
ya ada kata bigger tadi ya. Apa itu bigger? Bigger atau bigger apa artinya? Big apa big? Bigger berarti
Sangat besar.
bigger bukan sangat. Kalau sangat besar very big itu kan ya. Kalau bigger berarti lebih besar ya. Maksudnya very big ya. Karena greenhouse itu merupakan penyebab global warming yang sangat besar. Nah, kamu tadi dibagi dua ya kalimat itu ya? Ya.
Bagian memperkuat lagi
Karena kalau begini, oke, jadi kalau kalian dibagi dua seperti itu, tapi kalian tahu bahasa Inggris yang tadi kamu kali yang ucapkan itu malah jadi tidak make sense gitu ya, karena ininya hilang, alasannya itu hilang gitu. Kalau dipisahkan gitu malah jadi aneh, kayak gitu maksudnya. Makanya tadi saya bilang satu orang, nanti kalau ada yang mau menambahkan silakan, tapi bukan satu ini terus dipecah, gitu ya. Karena tadi disampaikan lebih jadinya malah nggak masuk akal, gitu, seperti itu ya. Tapi tetap komentar saya terima. Oke, ada yang mau menambahkan atau kalau tidak silakan ya.
Okay, everyone, thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.